Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the color theory and how to make use of that in drawing or painting. First, let's talk about what is primary and secondary colors. Primary colors are 3 in number, and when mixed in right proportion, we can make any other color from these 3. Secondary colors are the colors we get when we mix two primaries equally. And tertiary colors lie in between the secondaries and primaries in the color wheel. There are two types of primary colors, additive primary colors and subtractive primary colors. Here you can see the additive primary colors. They are red, blue and green. This is used in applications where we add light by every color, such as computer monitors and mobile displays. We start from black or zero light, then we add primary colors to make all the other colors. When all the 3 colors are equally added, we will get the full light or white. This is not useful for drawing, painting or printing, etc. This is because we are subtracting light from a fully lit white surface. When we add a color on a drawing surface, light emitting from that area decreases, unlike when we add lights on displays. So the exact reverse becomes true for drawing and painting. In this diagram you can see that there are 3 secondary colors in additive pattern. They are cyan, magenta and yellow. Then when we mix all together we get pure white. Then coming to the subtractive primaries. This is the one that is useful for painting, drawing and printing, etc. Like I said before, this is exactly the reverse of additive method. Here we start from the white surface. Then the primaries are cyan, magenta and yellow. Red, blue and green becomes the secondaries. And when mixed all these colors together we get a black color. But in reality we only get a near black dark color. Here you must notice that red and blues are only secondary colors, not primaries. But many art classes teach you red, blue and yellow as the primaries. By using these colors, we can make most of the other colors, but some colors cannot be made by that combination, and the secondaries by that 3 colors are often muddy, especially purple and green. You can never make a bright purple or bright green with these colors. So it is best to replace red with magenta and blue with cyan. You can even see that modern printers and textile printers only use magenta, cyan and yellow as the primaries. Then red and blue becomes secondaries. You can make a rich intense red by mixing magenta and yellow. Similarly, you can make a rich blue by mixing cyan and magenta. But purple and orange becomes tertiary colors instead of secondaries. Knowing the color theory is not only for mixing colors from primary colors, but it also helps in modifying the existing colors according to our need. The best practice is to experiment with different color combination and learning yourself. But you can learn the basics from the color wheel I am going to draw now. I'll show you how I mix these 3 real primary colors to make 36 colors. This is just an example. You can make much more colors than 36, especially if you combine the black pencil also. For mixing colors, I'll use a blending pencil also. In Prismacolor set, I'm using the most matching colors for magenta, cyan and yellow. They are magenta, true blue and sunburst yellow. I'm starting by drawing the primary colors magenta, cyan and yellow. Then mix them to produce secondary colors blue, red and green. And then tertiary colors. I'm also drawing a lighter version in the inner circle to get an idea on how to make varying pressure to build several colors. After doing this color wheel, I'll draw a fully colored bird with the 3 primaries and black pencil. You can see how I mix only these 3 colors to draw that bird. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you can follow me on all social media linked below.